guys, as you can see on my C4 Corvette, the headlights are not aligned. This is the low beam, this is the high beam, not much change. I need it to be much lower and less bright so it won't make people blind on the road. So what I'm doing right now is I turn up the lights, and I need to loosen the Phillips bolt that is on the headlight that I'm going to show you right now. So I'll turn off the light, and you can see I have one bolt here for the up-down adjustment and one bolt here for the left and right adjustment. I'm going to adjust only my up and down. When I loosen the bolt, then it will go down, and when I'm tightening the bolt, it will be up. So right now I'm loosening the bolt, and you can see on the floor that it's going down. Okay, so now I took the headlights down, and you can see that the wall is not bright so much like it was before, and I know now that I don't make people blind on the road. For the fine-tuning and the last adjustment, I needed to take it to a mechanic or someone who have the adjusting tools that can measure the light exactly, but for now it's good, so I can drive without interrupting other drivers. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and click on the bell to receive a message every time there is a new video. Thank you very much for watching.